Okay, so um, let's look at this question. 1160, find words that can be formed by characters. You are given an array of string words. You're given an array of strings and a string of string characters. Now, a string is good if it can be formed by characters from chars. Okay, so a string, this is good if I can form what? Um, okay, so these strings given, they are good if I can form from characters here and return the sum of lengths of all good strings, right? So let's see. So I can see CAT. Can I do it? Can I make it from here? There are one C, one A, and one T, right? So one C, one A, one T. BT, B and T. B is not here, so this will be false, and I mean this will be. Uh, I cannot add this. So HAT. Is there one H? I want one H. I want an one E. I want one T. So everything is here, right? Okay. So it means that total good is until now 2, right? So let's look at last string and TREE. So I want one T. I want one R. R is not there, right? So this is false. This is, I mean, this is not good. So total good is what? 2. Strings can be formed. Yeah, it is just cat and hat. Oh, okay. Sum of length of all good strings. Great. So it means that this is 3 plus. If this is the good string, then I should add number of characters in that string. Okay. I think that you guys understood this problem, right? If not, then I can explain again. I'm clear about this problem and I can code it now. But I will go through this another example again to make it more clear for anyone who's watching. So so my algorithm is just for every strings for every string in array, what I should do is just um, mm, mm, what I'm trying to do is just find count of all characters in the string. Okay, and after I do that, then just character by character, check check if um check if count in count of that character in chars, if it is greater than or equal. If it is so, if so, then it means that if so for all character, I mean if not so, then just break. Then break and declare, and then it is not a good string, right? But if I come out of loop, then it means that it is a good string. If for every characters this I can count, it is a good string. So add length of that string to the result. So I'll just explain more here. So what I'm trying to say is, first of all, I want to make how many count, right? So let character carrots count is equal to empty in the beginning, and for constant ch of characters, I need to increment the count, right? So ch, this will increment to if it is if it does not exist, then it should be 0, right? So if it is not doesn't exist, then it should be 0 or 1. What I'm trying to do here is I'm just trying to make a I'm just trying to make here a hash map. So first character is a, right? So a will be, since a is not here, so it will be like 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1, and t will be 1, and a is already here, right? So this will be here. So this is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. and mm, and 80 AC will be 1, H will be 1. I'm just doing this so that I can just get the count of every characters. So this is it. And now after this, I have to go through all the strings, right? So first of all, let uh, result will be in the beginning 0. And once I go through all the strings, right? So string of words, I need to go through all the strings in the word. So for all the strings also, I need to know if it is good string or not, right? Check if it is a good string or not now. So for that, what I should do is I should go through. For that, first of all, I should to check if it is a good string or not. First of all, I need to find count of all characters in a string, right? So for that, what I should do is same thing actually here. Actually, I can just write a function, I guess. Function or no, it's okay. String str, and instead of characters count, I can just say string character count, right? So this will be my count of all characters in the string. Now what I should do is, what should I do? Actually, instead of creating all hash map, what I can do is, no, I need to create a hash map first because I'll not know the count in Tarim. I'll not know the total count of A in the A just while I'm trying to create this hash map, right? I'll know the total count only after I add everything. So that is why I can only do this operation at last. So so now after I finding a count of all the characters, now I need to go through everything one by one. So for character in so character is the key and count is the value here in this map, right? So for string character count, what I'm doing is character, and I need to find the what is the count of the character, right? So string string count each. So this is my string count, right? So actually I don't even need to do this. I will just do it directly, okay? So according to my algorithm, right? Check if count of that character in characters, if it is greater than or equal to, right? So I need to find if character count of this character, if this is greater than or equal to this, then actually what I can do is if it is less than, if it is less, then it means that it is bad. So if it is less, then it means it is a bad string, right? So I can break immediately. I don't even need to like suppose here H, suppose here TREE, right? So T is not, oh, T is here. R is not here, right? So I can break immediately. I don't even need to check for E. Since R is not here, so I can just break immediately, and um, yeah, I can just break immediately. Another thing I'm thinking is what if it is not present here, and um, so what is 3 is greater than undefined? 3 is, I guess undefined will be treated as 0 in JavaScript, so that is fine. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is If it is less, then it is a bad string, right? So I will break out of the loop, and I will add so string dot length, right? So I need to add this string length to the result only if this string is a good string. So how would I know if it is a good string or not? Mm, mm, mm. Maybe I should do something here, like if I say that, I mean, there is a way to do that. Like I can just say that if it is a good string or not. I can make a flag. All right, I can create a flag. I can create a flag here, and here I can just make say that okay, this is false. So I can just create a flag that good string is true and just good string is false, and then break and then check only if good string. I can I can add this into result, right? This is one way, but is there a better way? Uh, yeah, I don't even need to find a better way, so let's not think about it. Okay. Yeah, this is like a problem that I used to do while I started my engineering undergrad engineering. Similar problem. So characters count is empty in the beginning, and then I'm adding all the characters 0 or 1 plus 1, and result is 0 in the beginning, and result is adding string dot length every time. So in words, um, for all the string also, I'm doing the same thing, creating the count, and then here also for all the character in the string, I'm just checking if it is less. If it is less, then it means that there is not proper total number of character there. So um, it is false, and then I break immediately. And if it is good string, then okay, great. So what is wrong here? right here. Okay, so this one. Okay, CAT. So this is true. 3. And BT. B is not here. B is 0. B is actually undefined. So 1 is less than undefined or not? 1 is less than 0. Okay, that is the problem. So actually, I think, yeah, I was talked about this, right? So this is undefined, so this is 0. So 2 is never less than 0. So what I should do is, um, if it is undefined, if it exists. So first of all, what I'm trying to say is, if it exists. So this will be false even if it does not exist. So this is undefined. What? So cast count ch. So B is not here, right? So it means that B is not here, so B will be undefined. So if undefined, so what does if undefined? If undefined, oh, it will not go at all. So it's like not undefined actually. So if it is not undefined, then it will go inside here. And since I'm using or here, um, if there is some object, then it will be 0. Yeah, so what I'm trying to say is, if it is undefined, then it will go inside. But if it is not undefined, if it has some number, then it will be like, it is like 0, some 0 or something. So if it is 0 or something, then since it is or, so it will go to the other side. So this would work now. Okay, one streak. Yeah, so the main problem was that I did not use this. I forgot this not. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.